fallback rules. So there are certain rules around like when you leave Spain or Portugal, potentially you may still be caught in the tax net of Spain and Portugal, even though you're not technically there. Is that possible, Ricky? Is that possible? How does that work?
So basically, exit tax. I mean, there's exit tax in Spain, as we mentioned earlier in a conversation, Darren. But the criteria for that exit tax, it's pretty high because you need to have shares of over 4 million. Well, you will be lucky if you have like this kind of money. And this is only the exit tax we have here. And well, the most common is whenever people move to a tax haven. There's this rule here in Spain, it's called the quarantine rule, that whenever someone decides to move from Spain to a tax haven, they are actually considered tax residents for the next 5 years.
And to get that list of tax havens, is that you get that on one of the government tax websites, right?
Yes. Yeah. If you go to the government, you can check the tax haven countries. Basically, the tax haven countries are countries which Spain doesn't have a double taxation treaty.
Yeah.
I mean, we have over 100 double taxation treaties. So yeah, there are some countries that they are considered as tax haven.
So basically, we have it on our website for those who just want to access it quickly. Just go to htg.tax. So basically, it's all the fun countries. Any island with zero, or the UAE, which is also zero, people want to go to. It's probably on that list. So yeah, okay. Augusto, does Portugal have anything like that? Any sort of exit or quarantine rules?
Okay, it is in terms of the fallback rules or quarantine rules. It's similar to Spain. So, in case an individual moves to what we call blacklisted jurisdiction, and blacklist in Portugal is well a long list.
Long. Yeah.
The individual is still within this tax resident in Portugal, unless he is able to prove that he moved for justifiable reasons, namely to work, to have an employment contract in such jurisdiction. But the rule is similar to Spain. We do not actually have exit taxes. There are some specific situations that can be picked by specific rules of exit taxes. For example, we have a pretty recent one that was introduced for 2023 with the state budget for this year that is related, for example, with cryptocurrency. Because when you leave the country, can trigger taxation on crypto assets. But just an example that we may have some specific rules with respect to taxation on exit, but there is no such a general rule.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.